Hello learners and welcome to U.S. History, Foundations to Reconstruction. We are on week 20. And this week your assignments are units 3.7 and 3.8. So we're going to focus on nationalism and Monroe and what happened during his presidency. And then you'll have an essay to write on foreign policy. Okay, so learning target is I can identify major components of the Monroe Doctrine as well as explain why the document was necessary. Okay, so I want you to look at this photograph here and describe what you believe is happening in this cartoon and what do you believe is the message of the cartoon. Okay, so kind of pay attention to the details. Look at the pants, look at the hat, look at who drew what, look at the different sides. Okay, so hopefully you have something about Uncle Sam symbolizing the United States. The larger man is actually representing Great Britain, and the third man symbolizes the Kaiser of Germany. The line is drawn by Uncle Sam, the United States, and the words Monroe Doctrine are spelled out instead of just a simple line. So it's more for the effect if you look at it. And Uncle Sam is applying the Monroe Doctrine and keeping European countries out of the Western Hemisphere. So I know you might not know a lot about the Monroe Doctrine, but we're going to learn about that today. But just the idea that those words mean a separation between countries. And the United States is separating itself from other countries. Okay, so let's learn a little bit more about that. Okay, so I want you to go into Odysseyware and look at Assignment 5, Unit 5. Called Nationalism in the Monroe Administration. And you also look at the reading entitled Monroe Doctrine from History.com. You're going to take notes on the major components of the Monroe Doctrine, as well as why the Monroe Doctrine was necessary. Okay, there's some videos to watch. The American Presidents, James Monroe, as well as the Monroe Doctrine from the History Channel. You can see those to the side here. Also take notes on why the United States, again, felt the Monroe Doctrine was necessary at this point in time. And then there's a Quizlet on the Monroe Doctrine. Okay, so based on what you learned in this lesson about the Monroe Doctrine and the United States, what does this political cartoon represent? So again, notice the pants, the hat, where we are, the words, okay, what you learned about the Monroe Doctrine. Okay, just tell me a little bit about the political cartoon. Okay, so in order to check your understanding of the Monroe Doctrine, you're going to complete a small quiz. And the elaborate is based on what you learned in the lesson. Please select a question below, Unit 3, Assignment 8 in your class, to write a 750 word essay on. It doesn't exactly have to be 750 words, but look at the options below. There's 2 essays to choose from. And they both deal with Monroe, the Monroe Doctrine, events, things that are happening, U.S. policy, and pick the one that you feel the most comfortable with writing. Okay, and then just tell me what new information you've learned from this lesson. And any questions, please reach out. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great week. Bye.